Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl, your whole world, and I'm back again with another video. I hope you guys are good. I hope you guys are okay. Today, as you can tell by the title, I'm recording the Makompo playlist. I think it's part 5. Yeah, I think it's part 5. Yeah. So I don't even want to waste no time. I hope one of the songs you get editing to this playlist as before. I tried to double check already. Before, but in total I have 15 songs. I don't know if they will all make the cut to the final video, because you know sometimes get such a question and then like get cancelled, but anyway, let me not waste any time and let's get straight into this Makompo playlist part 5. Okay. I'm so excited. It's been a while, got to but anyway, Lamza, like, I don't even have to explain. So yeah, I started with something simple before fire. Let's go. Let's move to the next song, guys. I don't know what she's saying, but the beats are talking to me. Let's move to the next one. Where I get the songs, guys. Namangas. Guys. Lavana, this one. Nkisa, sorry back. I'm sorry back. So go. That's my song. Let's move to the next one. Yo, what can me not? That was still my man, because I feel like he's no longer my man. Zamaya. Emuvinda borena Makhadzi. Emuvinda borena Makhadzi. Okay, let's move to the next one. Black is beautiful. Black is beautiful. The next song, guys. Celeb Maproma, Lena, he used to be my man. I don't know what Sancha music or what, but Bakhalabje, I'm happy, guys.
Yo guys, sorry for the pause. I don't know if the angle changed or what. And you're like startile koloi. Like what music o kata kata. Kaya start koloi guys. Koloi khala no start but then good thing ki boni kapela. I just gave it like 20 minutes to come down and then Angela start episode. I wanted to do manyana kapela because I mean I guess because ke lightile phone. I mean ke charge music ke lightile aircon ke charge the phone so my battery got upset with me. But anyway, I'm continuing. Let's get mind the background noises are continuing in the meantime.
Let's go to the next one. Okay. Oh, thank you, baby. Yep. CK42. Get it. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. Why I cannot hear. So, you are guys. The bass is too much. The bass is too much. Wow. I don't wanna damage the speakers. Okay guys, this next song, this is my song, yo. Kolo ya kinai, mara huno twan, Bophelo ya Bophelo. Musari kinai, mara huno twan, Bophelo ya Bophelo. Jele kinai, mara huno twan, Bophelo ya Bophelo. Nena ke Bhozza, mara huno twan. Guys, I finished the whole song. Guys, go shake it. I love it with all my heart. Okay. Hey. That's my song, y'all. That's my other song. And usually this is the second last song, guys. This one. Any song, yeah, Rackzen, DJ Rackzen is for me. It's honestly for me. I hate to say this, but this is the last song. This will be the last song that will be closing off this video. Comment down below if I should get ready to record part 6, because there's still more from where that came from and in a way. But anyway, let's play the last song, and I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to like, comment down below if you'd like to see a part 6, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, but subscribe, join the family, okay? But anyway, let's listen to the last song. This one, guys, I don't know. See, I don't know what to say. Nice. Hey. Halikuga. It's halikuga. Hey. Halikuga. It's halikuga. No. Halikuga. Halikuga.
Please like, share and subscribe my video, guys.